Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to be starting our line monsters. But first, we have to say our class mantra. So let's go ahead and get started. Say it with me. My mantra: I am positive, I am creative, I am mindful, I am amazing, I am an artist. All right, awesome job, artists. Now let's get started. First, you should have already seen the PowerPoint and gone over all of these different lines that we're going to use today. So we have straight line, a curved line, zigzag line that goes up and down, a wavy line, kind of looks like the ocean, a broken line that starts and stops over and over again. A looped line makes kind of a loop-de-looped, okay? Spiral lines, they go around and around and around, and a jagged line, a bunch of lines going up and down really fast, okay? So those are the kinds of lines that we are going to use today to start our line monster. All right, are you guys ready? Because here we go. So you'll need a plain piece of paper, okay? Plain is best, but you can also use a notebook paper that has the lines. It's totally fine, okay? You can just draw right on top of it. All right, so there are also a couple things that you can use. You can use markers if you have them. I'm going to use markers for my line monster. You can use crayons, or you can use colored pencils. Even if you have pens, or even if you just have a pencil, we can still create a line monster, okay? The most important thing here is that you are practicing drawing your lines, okay? So my paper is going up and down long ways. You could do it this way if you wanted to. That is your choice as the artist, okay? So I think I'll keep mine going up and down. And what you're going to do is start on one edge of the paper and draw any kind of line that we've already learned about all the way across your paper, okay? We're going to start at the top. So we're going to do one line here, one line down here, and just keep going down with different lines until you reach the bottom. And that is all we're going to do today, okay? But you can do a bunch of different lines. Don't do just all straight lines, okay? We want our line monster to be really unique and different, okay? So maybe you have a bunch of zigzag lines and wavy lines, just a mixture of all of these, okay? Or you could do a pattern, right? So maybe you want a looped line first, then a wavy line, then a zigzag. And you go back to looped, zigzag, or wavy, zigzag. So you keep doing it over and over again. I think I will do a pattern, okay? Let's see. I'll start, remember we're starting on one side of the paper over here, going all the way across, okay? So I think I'll start with a wavy line. And take your time while you do this so you make the best line that you possibly can. All right, my next one, so I drew that started all the way on this edge and it went all the way across the paper. If your line monster is horizontal or side to side paper, then your line will start over here and go all the way across, kind of like how we read from left to right, okay? So I did a wavy line at first, and I'm doing this in black because we're going to color in our line monster next week, okay? So, but you can use any colors that you want to. All right, now I think I'll do a broken line. Broken kind of looks like this, so you're just doing dash marks in a straight line across the page, okay? And I really like the looped line because I think it's fun to draw. So I just come up and do a curve all the way around itself, all the way across my paper. And I want to do a pattern, so I'm going to do wavy, broken, and looped. All right, so I've finished my pattern. Now I'm going to repeat it. So I'll do another wavy. You don't have to do a pattern if you don't want to. You can do all different ones like this sheet. So that is up to you. I just wanted to do a pattern because that is what I'm feeling like today with my art. Okay, but you do whatever you feel like doing with your art. Okay, another loop after the broken line. And what comes next? Does anyone know? We have wavy, broken, looped, wavy, broken, looped. So my last one will be wavy. All right, one more line to go. And that is all we are going to do this week. All right, so practice drawing your lines from one side of your paper all the way over. And then next week, we're going to color each of these sections in using rainbow colors. Okay, so I hope you guys had a lot of fun doing this, and I can't wait until we transform these amazing lines into amazing line monsters. All right, good luck, everybody, and I will see you next week.